So first mission of the day is to go exchange some money for me, my mom, and my wife. That way we have money for the day while they're getting ready. So I'm gonna smash on the scooter. Just a few blocks to go get some cash. Hello, day 2. Where are we going today?
Wat Chalong,
What's that?
the largest and most visited temples in Phuket.
And then after we're gonna try and see Big Buddha, right, Ma?
Yes, big
But
Buddha.
there's a landslide recently and you can't really go there and a bunch of people died. So we're gonna just go as close as we can and look at it. You have to see it while you're here, so we're gonna do that. You guys are getting in a Grab, which is like an Uber. And it's like 5 miles away and it costs like $6? $8, which is nothing. And then we're gonna jump on the scooter because scooter gang. Okay? All right, see ya. Sir. So we got a ticket. It happens. They're super cool about it. 1,000 baht, so like what?
Less than $30.
Less than $30 to be able to drive out here. I don't have a motorcycle license at home. Cops are super cool. I don't mind kicking in to support the cause. We love Thailand, so if I gotta pay a ticket, I gotta pay a ticket.
3 days.
So we're good to drive for 3 days. It's all good, no worries. Smiles everywhere. Back on the road. Quick stop at 7-Eleven for some liquids and a smoothie. They got all kinds of stuff. What's that for, Mom? That's incense?
Yes.
They were Buddhist, yeah?
Yes.
So what's that?
This is Joss paper. It's like sending them money.
Oh. think?
Amazing. This place is amazing. This is what I see Thailand to be.
So I'm heading on a little side mission, leaving them at the temple. I'm gonna drive up to Big Buddha on the scooter by myself to see if we can get up there instead of wasting time driving them up there in a taxi or something. I'm gonna head up there, and if it's all good, they'll meet me up there soon. Gonna have a little snack while I wait for them to head up here. Some fried shrimp, super fresh.
So I made a little bit of a mistake and picked the wrong drop-off location from the Grab. So Thomas has been shuttling us one by one up the hill to get to Big Buddha. He brought my mom on first. Dad's going up there now, but I figured I'd get a head start and start hiking up this hill, waiting for him to come get me. It's good exercise and a good learning experience. Big Buddha was closed because in September there was a landslide killing 13 people and injuring 19. So this is as close as we could get. But I found some little friends.
It's a video, not a picture.
Like a whole half a chicken. We almost got ear roasted or baked half a chicken. I said, oh, the fried chicken sounds good.